Re a le amohela mona inside the Baobab Tree.
Dumelang metswalle.
Nna lebitso la ka ke Bonolo. Enwa ke Baobab. Ebile re na le motswalle wa rona ya moholo, Old Baobab.
Baobab.
Hantle haholo Baobab. Ha re dumediseng Old Baobab kaofela ha rona. Dumela Old Baobab. Jwale he, ke nako ya hore re tsokotse mmele ya rona.
Ke a tseba hore ke nako efe eo.
Ana le a tseba hore ke nako ya eng metswalle? Oh, nna wa tseba hore metswalle ya rona e reng?
E reng metswalle ya rona?
Ba re ke nako ya ho bina pina.
Tsokotsa mohatla wa ka, ke nako ya ho bina.
Ha re bineng he metswalle.
Let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abushe. Hello, Tumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abushe. We say how's it and Eta, what's up and Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen. Locha, Botani, rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back, high five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abushe. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abushe. We say how's it and Eta, what's up and Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen and Kunjani. Locha, Botani. Rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back. High five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abushe. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abushe. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tovela, Abushe.
Metswalle, ho bina ho dula ho re thabisa mona inside the Baobab Tree.
Ho bina ke ntho e thabisang.
Ke a dumela Baobab.
Ke ka hoo ke ratang ho bina hakana.
Baobab, ke batlile ke lebala.
O batlile ho lebala eng Nolo?
Ke ile ka bala maobane ho the Baobab Times hore hosane re kana ra timelwa mabone.
Ha re tlo ba le mabone?
Baobab, empa batho ba mmuso ba kupile tshwarelo le hore ba tlilo laita ka pitjana.
Ho betere ha ba re jwetsitse.
Baba ba kopa tshwarelo.
Ke hantle ha batho ba etsa jwalo.
Baobab, le wena ke re ha o ntse phoso o kopa tshwarelo.
Nolo.
Ebile ha motho a o fosetsa a ba kopa tshwarelo, a ke re wa mo tshwarela?
Ke mo tshwarela.
O etsa hantle mogotsi.
Empa Bonolo.
Keng Baobab?
Hobaneng re hloka ho tshwarela batho?
Baobab, ha o tshwarela motho o bontsha hore ha o sa mo kwatetse ka ntho e entseng.
Empa haebe ha kope tshwarelo?
Baobab, le ha motho a sa kope tshwarelo ho hloka mo tshwarela.
Empa hobaneng Nolo?
Hobane ha o monate o dula o kwatile.
Hona ha o monate ho dula o kwatile.
Baobab, ho nka motho ya kgethehileng ho tshwarela motho e mong.
Jwang Nolo?
Ho bobebe ho kwatela motho e mong. Empa ho hloka motho ya kgethehileng ka matla ho tshwarela batho ba bang. Ke matla a mangata ho etsa jwalo.
Ke a utlwisisa jwale.
Ha re re lo utlwa hore nna metswalle ya rona e etsang ha e kwatetse batho ba bang.
Ho lokile ha re ye.
ba tshwarela ke ntse phoso. Kopa tshwarelo. A rata ho thusa batho bohloko.
Re a leboha haholo metswalle. Utlwile baby Pep, metswalle ya rona e tseba dilo tse ngata.
Tsokotsa mohatla wa ka.
Empa metswalle ya ka, ke nako ya hore re phomoleng hanyane fela.
Se ke le tsamaya metswalle.
Eya, re tla be re tshwere ntho tse ngata ha re hutla. Dulang hona moo.
Re tla e bona hona jwale.
Inside the Baobab tree. Inside the Baobab tree.
Hello again, friends. Welcome back to Inside the Baobab Tree.
Oh, yeah. Hello again, friends.
We are having such a fun time today. Baby Pep, what do you say we go see what our friend, the Giraffe Scope, has for us today?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, let's go. This is our friend, the Giraffe Scope.
Yippee! Giraffe scope!
We love the Giraffe Scope. When we look through the Giraffe Scope, we can see far, far away. We can look anywhere we want. The Giraffe Scope is very clever. Look, friends, there's a teacher who's teaching people how to dance. She's helping them practice. There's someone playing the drum as they dance. It's very cool how they use the shape of a clock to dance. Let's see if you can follow her, friends. Phew, that was so much fun. That was some amazing view we saw today.
Yes, it was, Lolo.
See, I told you the Giraffe Scope could see anything, anywhere, and that was great. Awesome. All done with the Giraffe Scope. Let's put it away and catch it another time.
Twist my tail.
Radio ya rona e se loketse ho bapala pina e monate. Nna le batla imamela.
Le nna ke batla.
Le se le lokile metswalle. Ho lokile ha re bineng he.
Say
art. I'm going to show you some pictures and you must say which one doesn't go with the rest. Okay, let's start. Which is the odd one out? Ooh, is it this one? Ooh, or is it this one? Oh, how about this one? Yes, this one is the odd one out. Yay! Let's play one last time. Woohoo! Which is the odd one out? Whee! Is it this one? Oh, is it this one? Wow! Or is it this one? Yes, again! This one is the odd one out! You're so good at this! Thank you so much for playing with me, friends! Twist my tail!
Inside the Baobab Tree. Inside the Baobab Tree.
Welcome back to Inside the Baobab Tree.
Yippee!
Today we're talking about forgiveness and we're saying sorry.
Oh, yes, Nolo. Forgiveness is a very nice thing.
That's very true, Baby Bab. What do you say we make our very own card to send to someone to say we're sorry?
Oh, yeah! Twist my tail. Let's do it. Yeah!
And what about you, friends? Would you like us to make it? You would? Yay! All right then.
Yippee, yippee, yeah! Ow!
This is Tuli, our toolbox. And inside it has everything we need to show you how you can make a forgiveness card. Let's wake Tuli up. Hello, Tuli. I'd like to make a forgiveness card for my mom. Please may I have all the tools and materials I'll need? Great. It sounds as if Tuli is ready. Let me reach inside. So, I'll need a pair of safe scissors. Oh, pretty glitter glue. Paper glue. A marker and a pencil. Different colored paper. Truly, I can't feel anything else. Is that all I need? Oh, great. Let's get making. Ooh.
Make and do, make and do.
Oh, Nolo, have you got everything?
Yes, Baby Bab, I have everything.
Yay!
Now I can show you how you can make your very own forgiveness card.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yippee, yippee,
Let's make it.
yes, yes, yeah!
So first we'll take a colored paper. I chose red.
Oh, yay!
Then what I'll do on this red paper is I'll draw a heart.
Oh, for love!
Yes, Baby Bab. A big heart for love. Draw it around like that. Then I'll cut the heart out on the lines. And all the way around. Once you're done cutting, your heart will look like this. See?
Oh, yes!
And now, on my heart, I will write Mom.
Oh, is this for your mom?
Yes, Baby Bab.
Oh, yippee!
M-O-M. bit of decoration. Little lines. See?
Oh, yes.
Then I'll take a different colored paper, and all I'll do is fold it in half.
Why, Nolo?
Well, baby Bab, this will be where I write my message.
Oh, is that the card, Nolo?
Yes, baby Bab, so clever.
Da, 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 da.
So I'll open it up and write my message. Since it's a forgiveness card, I'll say, please forgive me. I love you.
Oh, I love you.
Now it's time to make decorations on our card. So, the first thing I'll do is I'll close my card, then take my heart and stick it on, like that.
Oh, wow. Oh, Nolo, how are you going to put the heart on?
Well, it's simple, baby Bab. I'm going to use my glue
Oh,
to stick it on.
oh, glue. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Yeah.
Put some glue all the way around and stick it down.
Oh, wow.
See?
Mm-hmm.
But something's missing. Oh!
Oh, what, Nolo?
Well, we need glitter, baby Bab.
Oh, yeah. Sparkly, sparkly.
So I'll put some glitter around the heart,
Oh, great idea, Nolo.
like that. What else should I do? Oh, how about I draw another smaller heart up here?
Okay. Wow.
Friends, you can decorate your card however way you like. You can put hearts, butterflies, you can even write your own name with your glitter. But when you're done, put it away to dry.
Yeah.
I've already made mine here. See?
Oh, blue. You used blue glitter.
There you go.
Oh.
And even on the inside.
Oh.
See?
Wow.
Please forgive me. I love you.
Wow, Nolo. I like it.
And there you have it. Your very own forgiveness card.
Twist my tail.
Metswalle, ke tshepa hore le thabetse ho bapala le rona tsatsing lena. Tsatsing lena, re ithutile ka ntho tse ngata tse thabisang haholo. Empa ke nako ya hore re sadise metswalle ya rona jwale. Ah, o se ke wa tshwenyeha, baby Bab. Re tla bona metswalle ya rona tsatsing le leng hape. Ke a o tshepisa. Salang hantle.
Until next time we meet again, friends. You see, time can
Tsatsing lena inside the Baobab Tree, re ithutile ka ho tshwarelana le ho kopa tshwarelo. Re ile ra bina pina e monate e buang ka maitshwaro a matle. Ebile re iketseditse karete ya ho kopa tshwarelo ka nako ya Make and Do. Ka nnete e ne e le letsatsi le monate. Re tjhakeleng hape mona inside the Baobab Tree. Ho ne ho le monate ho ba le lona. Salang hantle metswalle.